boy Juma dear. Ye bestre, esan say, some boy Juma ma or mine Ghana, then you'd also be aiming high at high productivity. Say, ukwe Juma, and kobola se ewe jumem, bomoding, na fa who say Juma na wuye, no say de beya, Ghana benya home faso. Ebi mu ho a aban etio muka, na esan say, aban etio muka no. Ebi also on them, say, on be Juma e di aboa o man no, but ebi mu ho mo ji aketua da na wo bola se productivity then suffers. It becomes low. E ba na sa as a Ghana ha niema enhyeda enkoye emma yen. But ene once a ya for feed dad no. Ye de adwendwen asem bi ho. Asem ban ne ye de dwen ho. Akwenhyia adoso ewo Ghana ha. Lori akwenhyia adoso ewo Ghana ha. Enye easy o. Every day bia nipadudu a ewu ewo yakwantem ponso no ranges between 6 and 8 deaths in a day. 6 to 8 deaths in a day. Every nipensia ekopem nipa nwotwe de biara da no ehwere wono nkwa through road accidents. Accidents no, it could be air crashes, head-on collisions. And I said, Rabani, or Chicana wa bre. Can no chino wa breno. Ubomo the can aqua shabanim. Wrong overtaking. Oh, you overtaking her. I was so bombarding. Now, ultimate two boissy. Overtaking and Casaro, ya. Mirrors, no. Use no anything. From the little I know. Ubasha will left mirror. Now what shall right mirror? Now what shall mirror na ebo car na enimu hono no. Now what shall wechi? Ni nyina no. So usha left side mirror, usha right side mirror. Now was share u driving mirror na one who say wechi eye. One who say wechi ye no. Now we show your traffic indicator. Traffic indicator life to the direction you want to go. Yakasa traffic indicator light na me patcho o traffic gate and wasam na mekano. Na we show. And to show here. Now wasa bomoding ahwe o driving your friend is saying unsa nifa your friend is saying unsa nifa de no so. Mirror na e wo hono no. Na wahwe side mirror no. Uwia na wabomodeng ahwe wechi driving mirror no. Uwie so a na waba behwe eye side mirror na ewo unsa benkum so driver side no. No hu say yes, ekwan mu da ho. We nyina nkamfo no. Ekwan mu na eda ho no. Ewo sa utimi hu wanim ansa na overtaking no obeye na waye. But then pempi no. A driver for the yampum so. Obey overtaking cry. One shed the chi en who say, bia na ka bi di supiri. Every the chi ba. Na watie se kwan mu. Ebisu wo ho a. Baby any kwan say why overtaking. Curve mu edie. Also speed no ultimi contem kakra. Obi ho you overtaking a afin do baba to no boabo lase e wo overtaking na o ye num. Normally no say we overtaking na we can no speed no e was say bro there wo ye no overtaking no but when nyina no adava fo bi e buomo na egu so na de wo mo ye wo yakwantem so no amounting to indiscipline on our roads. Yebeka safa we nyina ho ena wie e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM. But quickly, let me share the data with you right about now on SOMPA 106.5 FM. I mean, Carol said road crashes deaths drops nearly 10% in March, according to the National Road Safety Authority. road crashes and fatalities in Ghana have declined in March 2026 according to the provisional data from the National Road Safety Authority, marking a modest improvement in road safety outcomes. The authority reported that crashes fell to 1,195 in March 2026 from 1,218 in the same period in 2025. Let's just say, afia etwemu no. Aya akwenhia dodo a esi e wo yeman mu ha for the first quarter of year 2025. So order to the first quarter of year 2026, there have been a drop in accidents. Afia etwemu no for the first quarter, January to March, 1 year akwenhia dodo a esi no na 1,195. Na afisa say 2026 from January to March, akwenhia dodo esi na 1,218. Na yenhwe woni a womo hwere womo nkwa during the same period. We are talking about the first quarters of year 2025 and year 2026. 1 year hwere womo nkwa no and also a drop here. For last year, first quarter na 254. This year March 1 year sure wono nkwa e wo yakwantempon so no mo 229. Na womo nam kwan nchen a eya ka abo mo no eno no your friend the pedestrian knockdowns and also a reduce here from 202 to 199. We know in some way now about the Jano, a National Road Safety Authority, just say it's as a result of the fact say one more intensify a public education campaigns. And this is why I seem to have a problem with the National Road Safety Authority. So more public education campaign now is something visible for us to see. But people are of the view say they don't normally see a National Road Safety Authority for a year. And this afternoon we'll be questioning a National Road Safety Authorities, input in making this kind of data available to SOMPA 106.5 FM. We cannot afford to wait until Easter or Christmas before intensifying road safety education. Statistics show that when we engage in public proactively, lives are spared, said by the Director General of National Road Safety Authority, Ayera Abraham Amaliba Oye Emranimni Prekope. And to weighing in Komwa and the way Yabedi who Yabetanasi Yabubu who Ewaha. Damine mines, minimal Kasei. Aye womo gold harvester, womo aye. Say you na ebeka ya damine mine. Say engineers and planners and a two a former good year no ho. Na me kai say wabra na say juma we yedima engineers and planners no. Ebi mu sorry ti aye. Ebi mu so ka say no. It's about time say yankasa no. Ye former good year ni and a good year who do a ye wo ye memu ha no. Ye be ma yankasa say ade share one more capability say won betimi etu no mo de etu. Ne sainti no wabra aye go face for a free wow contract na be wie no sabri aban adane e de ama aye damine mine na damine mines no wo to a form agudie for aye wo first harvest no aye ade a form agudie gold no munya ni nyina no wo maton ni nyina e de ama aye gold board has benefited for a year gold every diamond mine. Gold nina ena womo atongamomo. The first gold output to gold board. This is a historic move. It has never ever happened in the history of Mother Ghana. And to the way no su yenkoma ababe tuja. Na AMA for Eddie Kokobo biaba na Kokobo na won dia ba no. Asembe no mo kan. Was say sabri entwene bo mo amubonyum drinking spot pubs loudspeakers mo amubeye ye ni nyinaa saa bere ye bra from May 4th AMA and edisan komo we dia betudwa na dentina en komo we wo mo ede ababetudwa mechrew enewie. In a press release signed by the head of public affairs Gilbert Niankra, the assembly warned that all religious and social activities producing excessive noise must cease entirely for the duration of the period. Nakai say from the 4th of May 2026, ebe ende yawada June 4th 2026. So this is another conversation we will also be having right here on For God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM. And you should also know, say, the Ghana Traditional Council in a parallel directive has imposed a ban on funeral rites and all related activities, meaning no public mourning, procession, or burial ceremonies involving amplified sound or drumming will be permitted. Okay, so we ena AM before the abretuja and tinobia and shanonso na yendiso. All power generation units restored after Akosombo substation fire. The Minister for Energy and Green Transition, John Abdullah Jenapos Abri, what the abretuja say, Akosombo. And Chay bia and a chair say a jebi ato a control rooms be. Na a jano ato hono a say a year yemfidiano the turbines no na enya dia woni a ye juma. Ba minimal kasei sabre all the 6 turbines no a yadia a ye juma. We want to commend the government and for that matter the Minister of Energy and Green Transition say woma bon juma ding engineers no mo ye juma wo nyina no ayadea ye betimi aka say mo bo juma ding na ma me fasa akwanya we so na me mbo ECG for abaso beye se enna beye se ennan ni me hu se mi ame kanea no ejina so se giren ECG for se mu ye na nya ye beka but mu ye na yeswa ye beka enti no mamembo ECG for abaso se se den kanea no agina so for the past 4 days na me bisa se enkanea na agina so no eyade ebetue mu saa na ebedi na he ma count 4 days ebedi na he na ye enkanea no ebegina so enti ECG for ye mamo monio mo mankane na ngina so say ya emfa mayen na we no minim say ye wo domi empotem ha no na ye nkane na ngina so be send the 9 na wa wutie me no empotem no etisen nkane na agina so ana say ngina so. What is your challenge when the time is due? Ya baby ahomatofo tum now so wo de wadwen kire aba bebo adwumadi e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM minimum kasei sabre wo de wani kire eye fuel stations na eye ade afango buo no wo mo ateso na minimum kasei eye petrol obateso 2 pesos petrol wo mateso 2 pesos for the last pricing window of eye April no Ayadia ebejina aye 13.25 per liter. I am using the lowest 13.25 Ghana cedis per liter. Ena ejina aye. But for the first pricing window of May no ayadia womateso by 2 pesos. And this is no so udu we chire aye fuel stations bit is a goil and a star oiler ubenya aye petrol at all 13 cedis 25 pesos. But this one it's dramatic in the sense that I'm talking about the diesel prices and also some sharp adjustments falling by 44 pesos to 15 cedis 66 pesos per liter from the previously 16 cedis 10 pesos previously, has been set by the MPA price floor and what they buy and who some and are making. Entimene mu kasei se wo we dey star oil a wo beto petrol 13 cedis 25 pesos per liter, and then again so wo we ni kire ehwo so a me pacho eyade a diesel no wo beto no 15 cedis 55 pesos per liter. Entino say ena enkomo no etie entine bushafo e monka me ho na ewie ye ni nkomo live here e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM. Now ye ko na ye ne timbia redu wono ewo eye the National Road Safety Authority na ewie na ye ne de nkomo mini redu me ma kwa baba for God and country so ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM na me pa cho na wapum te saying
Yamia do me ho ye me da so ntafeli.
Me pa cho edino is it timbia?
Me pa cho
Timbiak.
That's right.
Okay, you better was in that we say what you say when they young edin komo. Now we have seen some statistics via a National Road Safety Authority for a release, but it is speaking of road accidents. Ekoso ewayeme muha. I know, sir, there've been some drop in the number of crashes on our routes. Now, Yebisa said, National Road Safety Authority says, you know, them pana mu ya mu fi say akwensiano eswatika krebi.
Okay, anya na yede enya sa reduction way. Activities I carried out over the years. And edisa esakaye aba. Na yeah, course yeah, a man back as soon you should say intensification of road safety engagement. Young head office. Then mom ye the Kogana half another dia. Ama Opia didn't Houdini. Regions in our core district. Echo other places. And I use various languages. Various engagement levels. Nti eno ana ede akonsiane ba ye na no tuka no yes ha epipe empolifo bi mo mo do ma no tumi sanity on our road. Basically nyama be over the years and over some time and ama reduction no aba.
And you know, it is not just a single activity. And Sabri, we are witnessing this fall in the numbers as far as accidents are concerned on our routes.
If I try.
And you know, throw more light on DMY over the years. And of course, for this short period of time, for a period of about 1 year, DMY visible. I'm for who I'll bet you who dance.
Okay. Yeah, nationwide advocacy. No brano. Yeah. Check the road safety and check the seat belt. Yeah, advocate for road safety officers. Our criminals. Yeah, pre-trip inspectors. Yeah. I just say after the training seminars, the inspectors actually car no good condition. Yeah, and you might be say the take is speeding. It didn't say you should log book. Yeah, they check it fatigue. It didn't say uko 8 hours biana. It's a South another driver, and I say I was tell phone out packet car this thing. Tanyama way any problem we are a company. Yeah, visitor seminars, court church, and yet our phone passengers. Near Copa, who ever say, you need animal police for, as I said, near text and one or more than a day, our pine swan now. Tanyama way in our company, and now at this and Sakari Abbey.
And Sakrai can want some, you bet me I can say it is nothing to write home about because the numbers doesn't suggest that. What would you say to it?
Oh, yeah, you believe we can even do better. You want to say, fine, it's very small, but it's significant. We are, you want to say, even if one life is saved, yeah. You better me up for 2 years, but you can't wait and 2 years. No more noise. Yeah, there's a way, sir. Yeah, they ever continue. See, and just say, yeah, and I ain't dead. But, yeah, they are sure Ghanaians to say, you know, a couple of men in Naya, Lasso, Naya, Sapata, no, fine swap. I could see us to be you need the idea, you reckon, you're going to be I could see understand the way I am. You're finding yet, the casting yet, your driver for yet, and you know, you pay your peppy, I could see us to be me at it. If you mean
Yanim said, I road safety issues, you know. I shared with people. So did they be which they can crank? I'll bet you minimize it. Okay. When I'm saying road safety issues, you know, I shared responsibility. More, stakeholders are more engaging. I was speaking to some drivers yesterday, and they tell me, say, road safety authority for anya dia omuhu adwuma konkra wo mo ye that I also gathered some information from your outfit, and they tell us one kasano musika some ensheda enkoyi. It's for that reason why yenten humo where quantum so lorry stations say mu ye education. How true are those assertions?
But it's no say ebinum to say road safety for and it is so good say the resources and no community as a young time when you know. I almost say, said I said, I no. Almost if you don't say a boy, and modern car. Now, Ghana, if you want to be one year or so, resources constraints. Your challenge is here, Obi affect no. I can send a BIA and Kaya find some phone in and Kaya street lights in I can never be there and Kaya. It's yes, in our own small way, no, yes, they are affected, Kaka. But you need to me, Kaka, you the boy whom I can say, Obi better what them. I see, after Moody.
Okay, yeah, but I was said but going forward, you know, said the Amuka said Mubu Jume. You be who know, baby, by the end of the year or by the end of the second quarter, no, can we be bold to say the numbers, you know, a yadia ebe to akoswa form?
Yeah, yes, to me as you know. Yes, to me as you move, but maybe to me I can say yeah resources. Okay, release na you follow for more resources. Now you find your juma. It is to me I can't hear now. We all the time. So we sense akayaba statistics me. Yeah. You call your name. You say you bet me I can't hear juma because. Your man telling about the degree war, near convenience, so resources made for year Jumano.
Sir, Uka say Acadia and I say resources, sir. Resources being a muhia as an institution, as an authority. Resources being a muhia.
Oh, road safety is very expensive. In that way, no, Linya Pika.
Sika.
Yes, you covered by millions of dollars a home. By your first statistics now, let me say in the whole 2 years, now it be a cotilepano, more than even up to 2,000 deaths, fatalities. But say a share last year, almost 3,000 fatalities, road traffic crashes. It's your first attention there call COVID. You better attention now, resources now, so road traffic crash. because say enema.
Wow. Wanti sikana na mo hia. Na sikana mo nya mo de be den.
Ye hia vehicle. Ye pese ye ko ba bi bebre. Ye pese mo se ye nka o media so na ye mo hwe ye videos. I'm a pop-up menu. Me watch obi betinya show road safety video. Maybe 6, 7. Yeah, the additional that 2 hour will be there. Will be and next seminar from Kwan. They are here for quite a bottom a collaboration. And you full on the Debecop. Into your vehicle, I better full again. You have to see a year research is being our road safety maybe one. Yes, and the BSR researchers, you know. You have to see a trying to move the answer to a Yesika. If you and yes, come Kwan. It is so ye car. It be a name of the baby, but you can't come for Yesika.
Ni nyina nkan for eko wie sika bobo ano ho a na na mama bi so mo share report na mo putting it together for the first quarter of 2026 na then nyina so ben pa na mo de gina so a mutimi hu se akwanhia no ano abrase na se ano abrase a let's also find out from you. Akwenhia dudu a menua oka say AC. Let's find out from you.
Oh, parameters good one. I mean, period for you were 5 categories are yes. Cases, you know. Now you share people that you involved. You share person skills. Now cases, person skills, up and down, knockdown, up and down. I'm saying believe in you. To a significant percentage of like close to 10.
Yeah.
And see in the person skills. And see, I think that parameters, you know, what you compare last year together, changes.
Now, who changes, you know, but I just wanted you to confirm the figures for us. But once perhaps it's not on your fingertips, we can spare you that. But let me also.
No, you hold on. I will get it for you. What the exact figures?
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
I will get it for you.
Yeah.
Wait. Say. Okay, and see, yes, cases, you know. March 2026 was 1,195.
Okay, that's fine.
And 2025 was 1,218.
Okay, good.
Fatalities this year, you have 254.
No, I think the 254 was for last year.
Fatalities fell from 254 last year to this year 229.
Wow.
And a pedestrian knockdown so and also free 202 to 199. In social categories now, Baku a negative 1.9 reduction, negative 9.8 reduction. That's for the person killed, and negative 1.5 for the pedestrian knockdown. It is. Yeah, figures I did there, you know, and I'm about to watch.
Okay, now Aquensiano, dem pan edi Aquensiane ba.
Oh, and your mother Dre, through America.
America.
This is the research said, America 10 at the close to 60%. Crashes, 86 through America 10.
Now, drunk driving, went to me, be in your report, Anna.
Drunk driving, no, category, no, it won't be. But I'm not getting to say speeding.
We'll be glad with you, sir. Ube share near my idea, Queen Shanaba, apart from the speeding and the drunk driving at Yakasafa. SOMPA FM.
Okay. And you might be to say attitudinal behaviors, to say tiredness, at the Queen Shaba. Nature of our road, it's media Queen Shaba.
Yaquino.
Yaquine to media Queen Shaba. Time my demand so at the Queen Shaba. You a particular say, Yaquin Shaka telling now, your man who had a good one, I see another breath. And I do one ask attention a deba. Ye is some basa at the Queen Shaba. inattentiveness edi akwantiaba nti ebi na mabobọ structure
inattentiveness say driver ni or drive it na still or kasa or phone so and I say
na dream
oh yeah no na who this situation a driver for a wo call long distances no earpins na hye wo masum wo drive ko nyina no na wo edi nkomo monya sa report no e wo maso e
ba cho dey
unyante no wo baby asoso
sa driver for nam na earpins show masum
yeah even riders na earpins show masum na mo ride
show masum oh okay
and unyante
da mi nyante
wow and who
dia drive and dia ride no man no etso no it's saying it amendment no would come in now if they are corrected the use of handheld now all communication devices but the CRD your friend is saying handheld communication device but me I wrote safety yes we can say and so say BPR distracted say yeah more say you pass say yeah when me say yeah watching say yeah what say yeah any part of the body if you be not in a sabako associate na be a manual not the so yes no eti bibi a distracted driving piano yeah cassette
and for now no one year a drive here one use earpiece one more ride here earpiece e show masum no mo ye call no omu tie nyum omu ye say no eno de entiamra
oh a distracted riding in kwadia entiamra e was say police 40
but say emra no emma kwan say was
that is in the law but no nothing no be a distracted or riding and now driving no it means and no tell no entiamra eno su tiamra
a passenger for a complaining was idea no pa. That is why it has come up for discussion this afternoon. I will show you so.
Okay.
You know, your best rebel say mun taking note. Now say no, ya kwan no what can say enye from Ayakra to Kumasi. Say unam so a traffic was or no. When was the last time I fast akwan no so?
Me kai but you know him say big push ever. It's actually and also yeah and a big push project no. It's yeah say then ya ma be na yenya so after smoothly like jojo.
The conversation on the use of a Voxy for a commercial purposes you know. I don't know is he saying every mo
Me pa to discussions no ye nyamfa mai wie be wie ya ye dedi honkom.
Se say mpepenso be na modu.
Ye go to yes stakeholder consultation no. Ye meet first of all I think this week ye meet two groups of stakeholders. Ye ne Custom Standards Authority DVLA any other stakeholders are ye meeting. And now you could see transporters or Ministry of Transport. Until you go so a consultation or decisions never
in the consultations that you do no what are some of the issues popping up out of those consultations?
Unfortunately,
but you are but hold it, you are the head of corporate affairs for National Road Safety Authority and you should be briefed appropriately after every consultation that has been done. So you want to tell us that you've not been briefed?
No, I don't have all the information.
All right. Symbiat Redu, you better was say. So I'm out but we would want to wish you well and we pray and hope, say, a year said your mwaka say more intensify more activities are. The Ghanaian public is saying they are not seeing in it, no. Ebe yield the positive results at the end of the second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter. Symbiat, once again, we are grateful for your time. Yeah, but per one of the days now trying. I know she's listening because I was having a feedback and you know Symbiat Redu made him say and Bomodeng one of these days, pass through SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country, and let's have a lovely conversation, because lives on our roots, we need to protect it. Agbado neti saying. Pacho so my aleki afo na ma.
Ma fon leki won afo.
Ayo, maka ko fi ajiji. Enke jojom.
Ontonya edoa elolo.
Edololo.
Ta machia makla akpayile mo.
Okay, elolo awumia.
Edo malolo awumi.
Nyata pa.
Elolo. Abale na bi.
Elolo ga kama lolo awumi. Oh, masagoma.
Yeah.
Masagoma. Where we for ya tombo kakra bo fa che nnewi. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Na me GDP say mini abana me ne di nkomo no. Ade a wate. Me pese me dan me ho ba sesia. Na me dan me ho ba se de enkomo ne tie no. Ye be ma okwan me nim se me ne mini aba aye redu simbia kasa no utie de okan ye no. Ebia na waka bibia mo adrabafo anhyeda ankom square da mese bisa mo se aye adwuma na wo mo edie no road safety for no mo no mo hu omo ana, because almost say we might intensify a road safety campaign. It's for that reason why you who a 10% drop as compared to a year last year figures. And you know, you be trying one basisia ebusia ye ba minua agbado ewa ha uko GPRTU edwumemu a. I think you are the third second PR person for a year GPRTU. We're going to be right back after this break.
Foreign call. Hello, Papa. What do be a new? Say me feel London, echo US. I no crowd who crowd from me, Mamania. Na Papa mo what to say. I radiate my habako. Na could just see. Echo Basim Penemo. There were Tonga Densi Hunyamanonso. What's your dear? Oh, what's your ho? Aquaba, Messi or Bodma Cross Canenwa. Now what do US want some for Bontisana? Hey, Papa, US a Hakuradi. Nana could just see Company Limited at Jibebia. One more Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. A bad dense Hunyamadia. Obia sin Nana could just see Company Limited. Namatissa will be a depoke CB, Ewakasua. I want to be a kutua dense Hunyama. Na ayano Papa. Oh, Anu Crapa. A police station in Chanhua. Hey, a Kuaba sempre monono. Onya mereda. She, where crown me and somewhere and will be in Fufroyau. Baku of Buakwasa Pasikumasi, and Bakuso Pocras and Kran. Obiase, Nana Kodoja see a Bemaba, our dancing, what on cement, iron rods, banding wires, and Nadua plywood, and just said about dance. To say BBI, they share a dance yes, the Kobe. The pony also, a to football, would go come more, what could you free? Akra we ka so depo ene pokrasi de no kra to nkyanya wasa wobu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City Amanfrom wasa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nkyanya ebisu magazine road head office no wa bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwesu Akra road Femeso opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrom numbers of man for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama onyankupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ni butai teach us SOMPA First Service. Ewo homa yen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro onyankupon kasa kyerɛ ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the spirits of God reposition your life.
Ma SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia fa woda no nyina share radens na erade beye
Emra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bagi.
Bra, aden, ena nso biem.
Hey, time heba me hwa ya me ka se yi ba akun, ani wo yi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hwa, esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba mesha me kasa me di wa dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie enti se malaria we draw an time herbal mixture
enye enunku o die nanum ato a wontimi anidie no time herbal mixture duro no ena yema o oba a wafa afuro de o ma akoda anofo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se o time herbal mixture enu dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop dodo na emu
Fre 0244 417669
Kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu akọ
FDA agi adwade nkratoa yi atu
Tia special local food abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wadi na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e friend local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya bontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase ne wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63599921 024 63599921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na with them 21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic still wo ye sciatica expert yes kan ye ho biemu Joe's bread and pastries yeah no yeah the Joe's hot kenke abba dokono papa no afei na wo bekojo akototo aburo abetwa ho sente ababa ye dokono akoton wo bra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho eye 3 Ghana cedis per o say price no wo betu na wo kwa na akoton eno no se wonya woni ma na wo dia boss enti sabre die introducing Joe's hot kenke ye de aburo papa eho cha ene ye dia ye baby ye no nso eya honidie nko a highly clean environment ene no achi no obodie nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good enti ye comfort the amount say Joe's hot kenke mo amoto dokono nyina ema mo ncha mo ho biem ema mo mre biem mo metum free ye nchen eye 3 Ghana cedis per Joe's bakery dome ye wo commercial bank echi ho no a say wo pedodo atu ha na wo frɛ 025 60688832 and you say dear Joe's hot kenka benti and one say wo betu ya na wo dia kwa kosi wo kona ho na wo ton Joe's hot kenke ye dia ba wo pona no we eye hot
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yama wakwaba wa SOMPA First Service ewa SOMPA TV ne SOMPA Radio so.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsa so ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teach us SOMPA First Service ewo homayen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra onyankopon kasa kyerɛ ma.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma SOMPA First Service entwa wo ho hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Abushafo Ekwato Mama Kwa Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country 14 minutes after 4. But I'd like to inform you, sir, yes, so you know, Time Herbal Mixture, Asana Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic, RSYD Novigi Studios, and again, would have to give credence to a year 21st clinics and every Omaso Asana, yeah, they for God and Country, Jumedino, Ebra, with the holiday edition, May Day. What has the president been saying? Wakasa pa wakakan sembe breeze anko body dirado yabebo. So but today we would want to center our discussion on road accidents. Ayade ekum nipa. So every day so aye lorry akwensia etimeje nipa beye ensia ekopem wotwe enkwa na ayade a SSA ye can want some here on my Ghana because the life lost could be very, very precious to Mother Ghana. And you know, I was saying, you know, I need to me boy to me a boy who buying every lorry acquaintance. But yani symbiat aiding common what the can there 2 years say acquaintance do na a supidi baby acquaintance a supidi baby Ragwado say gifty symbiat akasa. Dear, what can you know? Who say?
Yo, many ABOTCHIE, medase, Namechia, etiefo ne ahwefo nyina awie titiru Nana Bresiama ni Mako national chairman Maji PRTU Sanson and vice chairman Nana ni Okanta Ankara Greater Accra regional chairman ene apamfo amoka omo nyina mema obia edwumaye pa ana edwumafo da pa na masa awehye mia michocho mucho meyere Lydia Yawo Amevo happy birthday.
Oh, any birthday.
Any birthday.
I want a picture.
Very unfortunately, Manfa.
Aguado, please.
Manfa.
Aguado.
Yes, my dear.
My friend, yes, my dear.
Oh, me here, my dear. Also, my dear brother.
And I would dear no. Who knew dear picture ever force.
ABOTCHIE. Bear witness to me.
Oh, there be.
Me sorry, I'm a family phone. No phone, no freezy. Na me phone e freezy enti enya me phone am use and am use so be phone e kura me nie enya me phone am use and am use enti no me ba phone and am age enti me srew me yere aka sendim
we the one akopo won asem akopo yere
Debi enya me yere awoda enti ema me nkoluku o me yere nim say o nim say is one and only
one and only ye be da ase ba me din kobo we da mrasisi gift here wakasama NDC amanyoko nationally you know or amano so me ne be din komo sabra me do kasei gift enam your friend is Accra Kumasi Kwano so gift in patro wapom to send ye makwa baba for God and country so
mapom ye fa mo ye
sabre a hif na wopot
the see idea media my time ba
maybe sound say
situation is very bad
situation ben now can want some the nim situation wo name
anapano ye 2 free circle 10 a.m. Go heading towards Nkoko na yenya ni ntia station ho say yesi tanker bi enya accident da kwan ni mo somewhere see your friend baby 9 to 6 That is in between JJT in Koko, that area there.
Yeah.
So we thought maybe time I bedroom na traffic no but from 10 o'clock not 3 something we have to use some routes lungu be very dusty. I think there is a bypass. Your friend a bypass visa. Now a situation no any easy any better. So from 10 looking at the hours, no look at 10 a.m. to this time, into mean Drew in Coco.
Wow. Let's just say traffic na no ding or kind of so.
Any easy. Or bus in a power in the flank as a similar way.
Not the wouldn't kind of so. And what to say, baby, the 96. A hono a idea car be a mune atoho a quenum, a maquenesi. Na unyantis a year aposi for a towing car abawa. One more share Nanka Kano, or my year frequent more. Want to be biasa.
So, yes, I see a car through ya back. And I'm made to many me say, Omwe, we ne free one back. Traffic, Nanya, dear, bet to me a movies here.
Wow.
Internet, ya cry, I find you, channel.
How serious was the traffic situation, or is the traffic situation on that road?
How serious it is, Mr. You could get there tomorrow morning. That is how serious it is.
And you know, 1 year every Accra, Kumasi, 1 year every Kumasi, Urban Crime, 1 year, Mijidi say, Bimu 8 SOMPA 106.5 FM. I drive 4 passengers, then I'll be catching over.
Oh, the only thing is a free fee, just for which now who matches the idea of very serious, dear. Now who matching with him, but this time, dear. Near dear, my advice because you are not a portrait about Frebia or Yarida and Coco Hospital Honor or my Omuyan surgery. What they are here. But we have returned because the situation is very bad. Into the whatever we have to do, we need to do it through e-cash.
Akolano. That's fine. That's
because
fine. Because
easy. Because you can't say you better not traffic. Meanwhile, either we get there by 11 p.m. and which we cannot return. We'll have to sleep and come back in the morning.
Now, traffic in the chain, I drive for Sua, one more dando, a quano sono at the saying, Ebi Muyi, Fahon, Ebi at the saying.
And no, make a joke say, yeah, cry ye fa, who fa, or sino, baby. I think the baby are express road ni befano. And Honda, that's now ye bimu makeup. Or when you or Mutrimuni or Muniama bibia. So this is to say, we are very grateful to the Roads and Highway Minister for the good job he's doing with the big push. But rather, no, the drivers, I will speak on behalf of the drivers on the Accra Kumasi Highway and then passengers, including myself. Say, the why you bet me I fast track road, no, which is the express road now. And no one nanka, a bet me I then Abuaka. I'm a traffic, no, I'm moving pa. What they are here. And see, we understand what government is doing. We are happy with it. But we'll please say, if there is any way I able to me fast track here, Jumano, na ako enim. Edi abuwa drivers ni omo use road many nano. Ye ni beje pa.
So say, una we use road no ako pim baby. Road na we use ye no road not the same.
For baby, I bypass no because of the traffic. No, I understand. Say, oh yeah, or see no, echo prim JJC. Oh baby, very dusty. They are not. There is nothing there. I'm sure. Say, almost taxi BB as in overpass me. But yeah, Juma the airport, and I think it's not even up to 4% of the Juma almost starts here.
Wow.
What they are here. Yeah.
All right, Gifty. Yeah, but I was say that make us maybe some question or if I drive for Sua, one more done a D or bra traffic action. Me the traffic need the drivers need be or and ya there one person who traffic no so. Oban said now omo driving on the shoulders of the road. Be visa na.
Mami car same way. So car na your friend was use one.
Why then?
Say a crime be wo ho a to me aye bibia fa one they should do it because they are driving recklessly. I can send you videos of the car drivers driving very recklessly and amount wants to timu. And the most difficult thing about it is that they didn't want to register no private and they are using it for commercial. And our passengers or Mutimunsu are not complaining about that. You understand? And our authorities, the police and all those, they are seeing all those things on our roads. Say, your register car no private with a private number plate, but you're commercial. And I'm driving also you're very bad. But
gifty nyabotre baby I will say Oma register car no a private no mo dey commercial. What if say obini na ebusuan for na etu kwan?
Me grew say so car na was anka ye prove was yet me mo pepepe. And I me see ye question number plate na wo car ni na ye private.
Okay.
And say no ma me see ye my for full springs we are 3 number.
But car and Casano, Oma register as a tourist a year.
I don't even know. I think that you need to contact BVLA and ask them about this issue because they are driving on our roads is very reckless. Very, very reckless.
All right, give to my fine common in Yamin Shra. We want to wish you well.
Yeah.
Okay. Mini National Road Safety Authority for Casamafo no edin komono. Abrantie bi frey na or car sembi but when a commercial break and it's Abrantie no betimi asa free bio because he was raising some concerns na was say aban betia anka ebeboa na minim so otie and you know otie no dey I think he's on the line. Let's have a word with him. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, sir, boss.
Okay, yeah, ma kwa baba for God and country so SOMPA. But you would already can fray, you know.
Me pacho me move boy.
Yeah, that's.
Me have to create a driver.
Okay. Now, say
Ghana next year Ghana Ghana ko nya 70 years. If you blossom by this time engineers they want omaimu hatatim bebrebe aya ye different one. By this time we get what better. Yeah, I'm running from Aplawo to Sakrade. Yeah, only person being here because of the from vehicle be there or come here. So what I say, our roads, double road, single lane, I jump because we should love Pritamale. Now, Tema, I say that they were not so no, and not be small. At the end of the would load not the good Tamahano, and yet I think it because it's single lane. What you say? Up till now, it also takes our railway line. I was saying here Duma, I got to Kumasi. I was saying here Duma, Kumasi to Tamale, Pada. I was saying railway line here Duma. And now when you are lobby that is here, let the be here after the trailer. I love you about a police, not other name. You find us so. She love that. Let me have a caterpillar, not play the FPA. I'm singing less so, no the shaka. And I'm a Kwamo baby, and you know, and you Kwamo baby. Now, look, Kabaku, Kanaka was loaded on a cement car. Crash! And then you come here, did you wake up? Where's the sing? Where's the sing? Where's the sing? Radio station in all Africa. What the country radio stations, also, and television, also, power one, and Ghana. And then, or to say, no one said, that way now to do it. Now, I feel like we're never be a child here. So, what is the mission? Peter Crabby, Abatema. Peter Crabby, Abatema. Yakwaya, from Morocco, and when we go correct. Road, no, that system road, no, yeah, express, no. I want your car, no idea. I won't chat to me, yeah. There's about do workers back any anyway, no, and killing them traffic. By this time, I was another cantamanto and Coatraja. I get Chama Papa, free or the same population even in higher traffic. Who was me call Cantaman? Who was me call Sek? Who was me call? Who was me call? At this time, I was thinking another Cantaman to Mapola.
SOMPA FM.
So your system, no, your distributive system, never free. And one is a Korea Timusa. And I feel quite not yes, and I'll make a president. I don't know how to so to find now who Kobeni for any of us. Kobeni Republic could not have ya. Among us out, Macaroni Apostle. Not pay I can see any veggie or cream. Not small. Not going nada. Because he's on her. Prison box, rather, I'm full. Yeah, one with your Mutafu. Brahma Berry. And see my wife, your Mutafu. So, Namika Muni,
na mami so say udo usu udrave car kese na o tu kwan una ma kwantempon no so a wa ma yehu say ekwan no esu yehu pa akwanhia ben pa na wa be hia eda na eni yenyan
yenyan ni menka ya me ba be hia ni lobe ya abom enye bebrebe ne ka se me ka kire wa yenka no very good so at the Ghana police service no problem dia ma omo more problem. Because in the olden days, not often, Abion, Maurice, and they come be said that the trust will be sequence. So we are not crucial. One year going to Miss Salon. So what I say, share that the question run about to Highland Branch. What was I saying? Your order because we'll be a call. So, I have to be a phone. And I became engineers and a doctor and I read you on Abu and I just a tax.
One greatest concern national road safety for a reason is say I'd rather for no do not two America tente wa kwano so unam kwano so I who be sir.
I am correct that cost of living the man rather than
are they
cost of living. And I'm many because just now I know so the same time no obedi the same time the basu baby any adna so bibiano I was so kakati I was say oyire no I no can
now they me so what's the cost of living in Kanhua you are thinking of at the cost of living at the expense of your life I don't know when you abo track akra okwan no so
Mata so transfer na chia me say wo su kutaka
yeah
wo transfer na chia masa adaje ni mo free ha kokuma semu no bi so mojani kampaka wo ko tamale so what is the major so edu be dia e wo say unya mu chu na mu kakra but e kwani ye tu ba ke sa tres ba wo so du le e ti se men ti kura me kum kura no a anya no me ti de wuram me no bi anya asem but matter singing like yeah but you can't do it and you have to do it a pigeon in walk up with singing like bad yeah as an grab them on my way then not out after me to your going now and I can
ebi mo so aka say mo amutwi cars akese o ya kwantimpon so no mo ankasa na edu baby susu a mo de mo car akese no e de hunahuna nketwa no okwan no so eno so meeting
malodu nkuaba ne background destroy area malodu nkuaba bi ankakle and malodu because of the kwani de ntino me load na nyam load na me de bananyam
anyam e wo kwan ben senso
load ni de ntino load ni how they arrange no am bobel aye di dia bota poli no anyam se kwani de ntino e de load no a shift up on one side
okay
so how do you make sense eti ba me na me road wo bet wo wa dey hu say ma fa wo kwan okay nya fa na road no na eye me sa road no na eye me sa so wo eti inform sabe ata no go na ya panyin no so too much dana ye kura and kwasiam but ya me say mu nya hu ye
okay before I be jawa about akono afutu be na wo de ma driver for wɔn use cars nketewa no wɔn use buses no sɛ wɔn hyia ɛyɛ cars a ɛso nneɛma no traders no sɛ wɔn hyia wɔn a efutuo bɛn na wɔde bɛma wɔn.
Efutuo ɔde bɛma nketewa no ne akɛseɛ no ɛyɛ yɛkura akɛseɛ no masa before sɛ obi ɛntɔ ne car 21 billion ɛnfa nhyɛ wɔn nsam no masa na ɔnim nipa kora a wɔyɛ ɛnyɛ ahogoro so kora ansa na wode afa loan nketewa no especially sprinter no ɛne yɛ ɔmo de na di wɔ kwan so no ɛka yie paa
sprinter
yeah sprinter ɛne yɛ ɔmo de na di wɔ kwan so especially car nketewa no ɛne yɛ ɔmo de na di wɔ kwan so no ɛnsɔ ni baako kora because who go say ya ɛyɛ calculation na ɔde nam ɛne loan ɛne nneɛma ne wo bibia because wɔgya wɔde ne wo ma wo fi enti nneɛma ne so no so yɛde aso enti ɛnyɛ ayi agorɔ na wo ti kura ɛwɔ kwan so but all of a sudden wo na ofiri wo ti top street wo wura wɔ ne no afraid break but una wana o calculation ayɛ pasa
wow
enti sɛ nyame anya wa dompɛ wo de abɔ n'akyi na akɔfa asɛmfo fra yɛ bɛn aba enti yɛn stinkers you know nketewa no ne wese no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo to ɔmo bo ase na ne nyinaa mu no the kwan ne yɛ double road obi ɛ kwa wonu sɛ wo have to do nam atale wo na da so bɔkɔ ugu so kɔ fast lane ɛma mo nketewa no so mo kɔ wo sɛ asomdwe nko a but up till now in fear dio so ya mo yɛ sie yi ɔmɛn ɛti yi masa nipa nsi nfrasi
na maybe so a bus drivers no so obuso uhu omo sen wo kwan no so buses
drivers no gramped na hu
yeah
ono engine na damu no ene sa box na esisu na nipa nitimu no
yeah
engine no ahu de buru box de sa ataka na nipa nitimu no ene ayini nyina so enti ọmọ no anso ọmọ yẹ ọmọ din sẹ ọmọ de time ẹna bẹ nante so transport ani driving so de yẹn fa time nante yẹn fa time sẹ ẹ wọ ẹbẹ bọ sẹ nam wọ ẹnyinam ẹbẹ bọ sẹ nam wọ nkọkọ ọsọ wà ti ase yẹn fa time nante fa so wà ti ase enti ọmọ no time na ọmọ di akyire no ẹna ma ọmọ problem no wà ti ase
ọmọ pẹntẹm.
Some of them and the more problem. So I get here. But you know, a rose. The final 3 bar. SOMPA. My Lord, don't cut yet a bro. Every Sunday, may banner me highway. I don't know. Up to now, your capital to capital into me. Actually, may ban me baby bro. Any problem here. May ban me baby bro. Now we are fast. But what's I'm going to when you do one time we so call. Secretary, you finally. Oh, but me nyama nanyam. Me nyama na chaba one side because of a funny unity no. Me love no sugar. And you also say me, I'm not like a piaba. Nani, no person say me to you dia. No we piaba. Say ye de. So what you?
Now
I'm paying for.
Me too.
Exercise. Now what say? Yeah, be a percent. Nanka what say? Now. It's too much.
Too much. Na nyabotra mami na anajo driving no so I am it saying can you no lights no
anajo kaka baby I would like a joko drone e ho na what unanti di
mentiase
what out here and he said me say who throw light baby I would like a joko drone ta nanti na what unanti ekogro ni kwa so ko plan di dia go legacy bia won tibi yesi
oh okay
I would like a true ekogro no e ho kinte na wo se won nanti wo mesha wo you pepe na wo de ko do baby a wo ko o ko so pe ka se ka bi na to ka ko ni wo bu wa bobom
ana empempi no so mo use cars akese no more lights bi a mo de bobo cars no so adava for enketo no ya na mo complain pa mo ti mi bie light de to amanfo so sa
light no on me say nipa de dia binu mu nse de ni suban de but light no yen so no be bia keke because one kasa wo sokura no a emboa so what you say e kwa ni good now road mark fam Now what would you do to from one? Who say, oh, not correct. But we are here, or so when you almost say, oh, you tell me for now overtaking. I was all so silent, no man. No, let me say, it will be where him. So what is the mission?
But to the beer, more than a phony be Mutrika Acasiano. I told the beer as I like to be BNS Susa, Ube Shiano, no, once a light in the Dawani, who one shake crowd who can't be remembered.
Mr. Yoti Bonkoso for Zoom. And you won't buy. And the Duman area, Master Obio Kuta, Trump, Senna, Trump, piano, heavy duty piano. Master, they need the whole. Look at the one Macaco. They need that.
Now, when need that whole put in a Mutamudi Castle, a constitution, Remuno.
I obey, and I also walk with you. Oh, yeah, I have some fun to make a
Obina one course.
Small car, bet my course, sprinter, bet my overtaking, or you overtaking, and nobody to know mention. I was so bomb that any person I was sprinting. Can you talk about them? I was sprinting. You were in that. Now we are not one in the midst. Not what could go. Not I go fast mother because calculation now why you know the number. Why you overtaking fluctuation? Intervals now war extra. Obi appear one option and also all of the sudden. And was what the bomb. Now Shenipa one load out there for anyone no. So what you say? And a consequence, road safety for any year. More, the name number to me. I'm an church and one said no more than 1 million. The game I got for no, and I say, you share with you. Now, the government to on your point our roads. You're finding yet our roads.
And I'm also more bra, a ya munjima home, more bra, munjima home, and you come, I if you said me free, that one, Batema, as some of the idea, free motorways. Who free motorways? We free motorways because no one break. Now, when you come, I won't pack it, and I won't. And also so count, and you come so count. And you can't be a share at the dinner. We can go run the show, some of the war. So what did the machine say? Now, what shall you know? So on a hooker. Now, who you have what done when you have to show what you have to do in Uma? Not wash your Dutch. It's a matter, yeah, do man, you know. And yes, the others are was when we keep the name way that you will be one more. Eh? Which be active behavior you are. Break it to me, this was the year. Wow.
Because one year after, or fast mama. Break it to me, so I didn't even create you. What you see. And the road safety and church, I was saying that the whole Ghana radio stations now, yes, I did. Now, I buy no so more. Ya brewa fine. Ya fine ya the whole Africa. Who the Ghana had the best road. Yeah, what Ghana has it. Ebinia.
Oh, there, mammy, number also didn't the same.
The problem is that we're saying the free zone is here. Free zone, I mean, no cover is here.
Okay, you better was in the way pass. We're contributing immensely to our discussion. I mean, sure, how are good. Yamiso and count. Hey, Oragbado.
Abochi.
So what's in common in
Matien Comono? Unim,
be named this okay.
Sassam way, Macao will see you have time and over.
Okay.
Say, you know, Ghana baby a Druno. All the intercity roads, you know. I was seeing a dual road. Say, the extra cry too. What you say? Because you not Sadua road, no, rest stops are. Sa accident year body year 2 days ACC and Eswatino a drastical. Me asemo kan the entia megia tum se akwanhia no so ateka krebi say yewra amaliba de ato ne ho so say bebia enye no o mo report ma no a omo ye o se wokokuma se kwan so na before bedru apedwa enclave ho no no na ekwan no nsuo no so ho no no na ekwan na say ma guide na e wo ho no ebubu omukoye no eda omuwie no that very day na articulator bi sabe bom.
Wow.
Articulator ni bom no. Nkenye guide na wo ho a can who say ekotosa nsuo no mu a lives are going to be what lost enti no sa measures no and there was a say omo no mo ye kwan no police manka say omo ye police o omo ye kwan no road safety for omo na ye kwan ni police but say the omo ye kwan ni police am ka wo say omo police kwan no omo police omo nye omo yenim Ghana yenim accident prone areas no dodo na yenim o de African tampo eko sunyane bridge na ewo ho no mo no ema etwa sa ekromie no ntem enclave for America
me enclave na aka African tampo
Techiman no one was our bridge na ewo ho no narrow
me hu asa wo ye ufri pamdu ho ba me hu
sa bridge no that's so yes up to date
emu ye kete cars no mienu na ba anajo so be light nya e dey asembeba
okwa trailers egu fa ha trailers
egu fa ha
okwa trailers ne da su gu ho dia na e dey aba ekwan ne ho no no esua nti se ye nisika ye be ye kra no sa bridge no dey e wo se ye dey ye trem na ma accident on that spot no esote nti sa sports na ye ankasa ye nim no
flash
point no I was say ye me more typical example maybe I the example first Ebri to your friend saying Medina to Ebri na ye single lane President Kufo Baya obeye no dual lane no ama accident no so ate say metime aka say 0% because by then ufri La Paz na okobru ya okọ Kufo Edua every week ye nyakura ye car ba ko ana mienu nya accident then what you say that is La Paz alone America
La Paz station
and
car load with you
your friends Kufo Edua and amount
every week
2 cars
nya kwensia
that was then but omo yes I you know hardly last year be prem this year ye nya accident bia nti ekwan no ankasa so ye den e contributed to it ekwan a your sister yi kasa fa so say omoko sisi yi won say baby aye dual ni nyina omonya traffic ho baby a asem ni kosi ye no ekwan ba ko car ni nya accident no ekwan mienu nyina bo mu e na ye driver for me to sebe ye driver for ni bi mu esan say ye Jimmy enti accident ba ana ekwan ni block ya ye yi afa ho apentem akọ nti ama cars ni nyina akọ abo apeso ha aye ne 4 lane ha so aye ne 4 lane meanwhile ye single lane what you say enti no sa emre wie dru say aban ebe ye all the intercity roads no Accra Cape Coast dual road Accra Kumasi dual Accra Aplawo dual Accra Ho dual Kumasi Tamale dual just say baby a link to the next town biano
next city biano
na ya no dual road na aboa ama accident no eswate drastical hwe make Medina ne suhu kwan ye example first obeti enete it say weekend say any holiday say teacher mante obeti accident obeti be say wote sa because ekwan no higher 2 nti akate accident ne down nti say Ghana mpenyifo tie minim say yewra agboja obo ejuma de obo ejuma but juma na omo no nanso ho omo timeline na edajuma ne so no eye de be mesere na maka kire omo say contractors ni ye road na omo nye access road emayen omo ye kwan na ye safa kwan no so eha omo eha yen so enti omo mbomode no omo create ekwan a ebetimi ama easy access dan say ye nyina ebe yusu kwan na omo sa eye kwan no me ma typical example motorway because e ho na me di mejuma kese pa so me catch say every week your cars best 4 ebreki every week cars 4 breki a obejedi
motorway ekwan na omo ye no every week bia cars best
4 ebreki say journalists mo be di aboa Ghana driver for any Ghana timamufo a on Mondays and Tuesdays monko ye stations a eco highways no so na monko hwe queue passengers
almost a
lie Tichu La Paz Kaswa, La Paz Tema, Accra Kaswa, Accra Tema, Accra your friend saying baby a single but dual no unya ni baby sa what you say and nti no emre wie dru say ekwan na omo ye no omo ye one side na ye fa no omo wie a omo asa shift ye nyina about the new one so the other side.
Oh yeah, Bradley, you have been using the Accra Tema motorway. What is the current challenge there?
The current challenge is the road is too rough. Here ufri Accra na o call your friend saying Tema enclave one more from new toll booth new toll booth call to your friend saying Echo Trazako, Echo Sasso, Echo Coca-Cola, Echo Abattoir, down to your friend saying your friend BB Abattoir Bridge.
Yeah.
From a whole nyina omo tutu ni nyina nti ekwan na nkasa obe access no be se free aba hope ana ye nam so eko eba nti nka omo bubu one side me van say Tema enclave for here from La Paz and Accra and eko Tema no kwa no mo ye na omo jai other road no
other side
ma ye fa eba both side ni nyina e use a nka by this omo wie one side
banka traffic no be heavy o
minua traffic ni e be heavy die but omo bubu ye no unim say one side no my no 4 one side so my no 4 nti adentina mu ye ba ko enka dada no ho na ye use ho no mo na mu njai na mu be ye 4 no na ye use sa 3 no the reason why ye prefer say ube ye ho ma ye use ho 3 no say you know unye duru Abattoir na wo kwa shama amanfo ha omo ho ensa nkofa overhead no omo fa ekwan na omo aye no won say ekwan na omo ba bebo Olympics game a omo ye fa no o fa so pe straight no akoduru ajekojo no waduru ashama easy
African games na
African games no yeah African games no sa kwan na omo ye no abebo apa eninti no nko omo ja ekwan no one side etumu no omo ye no sa nka aboa ukọ your friend saying the same thing applies to Kaswa to Winneba. Umotutu kwani nyina bom ama weekends any holidays stay sa traffic na esi no nka ensi bebre sa o because ekwan na ye kan no nkasa so umotutu ni nyina egum na okọ Kumasi so a only one road from Accra ha kwan ba ko pe adenti na ye ntimi nsa nya abom kwan bi a obetimi adoje akofa so akopie bebi a oka no new road no mo ye na new road no mo ye no obe doje a obe sa akwa akosi obe ba besi osi no o doje a obe kwa akosi osi no
mehu
me wa bebi ade na si no osi no anim ho no mo aye one lane no mo so nti o doje asa ko doje akosi traffic no mo nti no ekwan no na e wo se ye nya bi eka ho se omo dual ne de mesre e wo se ye kwan dodo na omo ye no at least
two but also what raises some serious concerns, especially on a Juma Ekoso Ewo Accra Tema motorway no so and then some other parts as your friend is an association SOMPA much rockrata dia kwakoma the minister for transport say in fact Accra Tema ekwano Mukasano, Duduana breaky. Have you made that formal complaint to the Minister for Transport?
Minua, yeah. Onyo no kwan so.
But formally.
Yeah, they are come all friends is your catch. And one thing, so obehwe affairs me bon minister ne chipa. He wasn't understanding me. But see ya when you read them no. Ayere swa ache pa every month. Otimi free transport operators ni nyina.
Wow.
Na we bisa. Well, this is what we want. Say you can good governance and yes obe kukuru sika akoma obi o. We bisa nipa ne how waka. Why man anu yi en sumu dimpo a wa man anu yi a ebe chichi ne re.
Okay.
Ama odi aye de oye.
Krata na modi come minister no. Anu yi be no oyi mo on the motorway, you know, Juma Ekoso oro.
Anu yi a oyi ne say odi yen ekoma agboja.
Okay.
Ema yene no ekotena ase ema yewura agboja nso ema yehu se ejuma no speed a mo pe no saa na ometimi aye no anse na ometimi awie the year omo pese 2027 ometimi complete nti se omo amma omo saa akonya no a omo de be hye se one side na omo ye ntia enti na abasa. Well, but yes say Oliver Twist will ask for more. A woman say o match re ase ama yate ase de but ekwan no enye say yesi omo ye nti no omo nya ni biara ana omo tutu so sa omo asphalt ana enye asphalt mpo a omo ma quota emfa one side say obehwe these days baby a omo tutu aye bridges no omo wi a no omo apache ono omo di quota gu so ama sisi ewo enclave omo aye no ama smoothness ewo hono uduru a ekọ baby omo tutu ti say toll booth no uduru hono ma traffic to me bo peso. Wow. The Otra now Otra friends Sadako. Otra Sadako so now okwa. A honomono omoye na omoguso kakra ntino. Ema e honomo ye den e flow. Okwa na osakodru abattoir. E hona obesa kodi traffic mu. Na wasakwa akodru your friends Kanewu Junction. There be Kanewu Junction dey dem. Okwa kodru under bridge honomo ehon so ma set tutu ho ehon so na ehon so asa kochoko nti se bebi omo tutu no so mu wi a omo de kotegu so a move nti eno kire omo se nka wo se omo aye na omo aye one side no omo fa kota no enu eden engu ho ma na traffic no inflow motorway no so kakra na ama passengers na omo bo pay so e wo various stations no ano embrace baba me get here for say and the chair maybe lines na tum na me bietum a me bisa say umpotemu a wo no ekwan no etesen ekwan na ufa so ekofie ekwan na ufa so a wokɔ adwuma no sen na etie enche maybe ahomatofo na tum na wo de wadwen kira beboa kai number obefresi so 0260 196064 0260 196065 ora gbado masa ba wo nchen adrova fo mu kum nipa wo kwan no so speed bebrebe but my main cow say Dr. Dubuatin say friend is here na adikudenti a say friend no say wono yare bi eni ho a wontimi nsa yare a wontimi nsa no obekire kwan a obefa so a manage sa yade kun no enti no endpoint homeopathic clinic make am for ma won na wie but obi a wanya ndwudwuye obi a wanya stroke a wodampem say nipa no otete de bia mo de ne kwa ya sabia gise mo ko han ka say woni ka Dr. Edubuaten se men kan kire say me pa cho say obi anya ndwudwuye ana obi anya yade bi asa yade no ano ye den a nipa no nteme nsore mfim pa so a o se friend line sisi a obeba fie na waba be hwe ya obaba ma hwe nipa ko no e de ama number no ye 0244 867068 0244 867068 and now 027 4234 321 upe massaging upe aye physiotherapy section endpoint homeopathic clinic ebedi wakajiremu efutuo die endpoint die waboma efutuo pa efutuo a ebetimi ama yenya hoden ni yenyina ache endpoint edimu tintiman pa and your friend number na now here futuo a endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Dubuatin of the futuo be ma na mumu ye oba untimi mfefro be ma untimi nhyɛ wo renyinsɛm be ma jinso yi ya wo so odi boy nia no wogyaemu wakra no brebo mu problems a endpoint homeopathic clinic say bra me patch numbers ni 0244 867068 027 423 4321 na patch ohwo mo cha kwan e won kran ha wo mo wo Painters Road Shell signboard say ohwo mo cha kwan so Kumase a wo mo kronum abohia me patch any endpoint endings awoso na wapomuden no enwe peye wo mo number ni bio 0244 867068 02742 34321 Maminka said time herbal mixture ayahubanbo edro it is a prophylaxis unumwa enya dia fever no ebechewo say ye malaria fever say ye jaundice fever ana obi a wenum ato a wontimi ndidi typhoid fever na ekwetia honam nyina ya wo ya obufunu wo fi bomodin na fa kope eye time herbal mixture Dr. Tafrija time herbal mixture wo bojuma edrowi ebojuma gidigidi se wota no mo a
enya dia malaria bechew enya dia typhoid bechew enya dia jaundice bechew usori anopa ubekwa adwuma ube eduru anwumre na ubefie na osanum bi na oda ubedana ha mamenka o say time HH mixer and then the capsules in the whoa bema bomodenge ma obema no emunya den emfa maw nempo no say enemu nsa yade mpo no wenya time HH mixer and then the capsules ebeko amaw eno we say open eduduro mu a bomoding na frɛ eye Dr. Tafrija e was 02444 17669 we ni chere drugstore pharmacy shop bia yade awonsa ebekebi na ye ka yade ho asem na yade bia to atese e wo memu ho a nka ntete no na ebi mu e dia ka say sa yade no yade a wakwakote aduro so me paton tie aduro bia so se unan bako ye oya na eso we chikasem na wuntupom na abepie osirem na osire no mu ye oya me paton hunu se sa yade no eye sciatica na eye clinic bako pe na wo ho aduro e wo Ghana ha West Africa ni Africa wo hu yade no wa pa no aduro enti obi a wo yare sciatica yade ne de me kanfo eye 21st clinic amano me paton de cha kwan e wo nkran ha Central Hill Runabout tema obo hu mo Roman Asondan na chi kasoa omo New Market obomo kwan so kumase womo hia overseas baby asompa FM e wona sase na hwe mo takwa womo low cost baby asompa FM e wono takwa de hwe mo efie kuma no ba 9 taxi station ho se wudu tachima na bisa baby ana GN Bank edan no wono ehwa no ye adwuma se wo sunyane so a kai se obohu omo wo eye sunyane regional hospital first gate no enhwe nim ho a ena obo 21st clinic na mo betimi abomodena the doctors na din komo e was 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 21st clinic the sciatica commander RSYD no Vigi Studios in the almost almost so asane e studios aye bie no e won kran ha na paso so wutwa aye sini ana wo obi a opeso utwa photo anampo no otem nkan na hwei na uye eye program bi say ye ayi yo na moye say ye wedding na moye ubehia eye pictures ubehia eye video a me pacho din ni ye RSYD no Vigi Studios mo a mutaye twitwa short videos to social media no so ko twa quality videos wo RSYD no Vigi Studios ko twa wo ho a quality a obenya no likes a obenya no comments a obenya no wankasa obo say yes video no edimu ye pa na share so mfidie a won di adwuma cameras on di adwuma no e ya befo de ani bi wọ́n sa wọ creative director sononko ẹwọ họ wọ́n wọ professional backdrop so ẹwọ họ na me kan form out say so wọ́n wọ ni kyerẹ RSYD no Vigi Studios a me patcho say studios no emu su ye wọ́n ni a ẹyẹ adwuma ọ so no me patcho adwuma na wọ́n yẹ no wọ́n te ase na nimdie a ekra mo no sa nimdie no so ekọ ekyire pa me patcho betimi abomoden afre RSYD no Vigi Studios so 057 47157778 or 030-397-4822. If really you want to create something extraordinary, remember the name is RSYD no Vigi Studios. When you make and for God and Country special edition yede ebrewo. Now Urabadoi, but Mr. Aden Adrava for Mukum Nipa so speedy baby no Aden.
Minia medase no kure speed die ye adrabo for ye kopa but enye speed no so ka ho ma ye wudie but enye speed ne nko a na ekum nipa
but speed munim say akwan ne nye enso still emrika tenten
minia mirika no ye ko minji miti da say mirika ye nko speed ne ye kopa but me say enye speed na ekun yen.
And yes, speed but you know that there is a saying that speeding thrills, but at the same time, the speeding can kill you.
Exactly so.
But speeding kills. What you say?
Papa.
But man can't say any speeding in a
any speeding in a coon. Then name a typical example.
One
trailer driver here on any casas here.
Yeah.
Was what driver free tamale san obedru motor is no yet. No order. hwe de wo mu nie speed no eka ho but say emre wie du say ye be point finger at places or say ye de niama etoto na Ghana wo hu ye nyina ye hwe ekwan so jojo na enko yi because almost say road safety is shared responsibility. It's
a shared responsibility.
Say ye share responsibility. Responsibility is nize.
Obia wo chefan
responsibility road safety for road safety authority for because omanya authority nti also moye adia authorities here at least say Ghana kwantimponi nyina so no I was say omobomodin no munya rest stops emayen
rest stops baby amobaji mu ahome
baby
na say ekwan no so no ye wo rest stops bibiri wo kwan no so aban die na mo hwehwe ansa na mo arrest ya na
me rest stops me fa Kumasi die because Kumasi obi in paradise ne Linda door asa me rest stops are Cape your friends say Accra to Cape Coast kwan so
na say rest stop necessarily does not mean say Obekwa jina bia ya designated for that, but you should also know say me driving this number of hours let me do a crow is what but me papa bia package my home kakra
minua we should call a spade we should stop calling a spade a big spoon here rest stops no I was say designated places me found quick
but for now let me for now we don't have
anything I make us say road safety authority no one and yes say edin authority kekenda wo mo so niam bi wo mo owo ho a sa niam vital see there once a road nya no do road ne there rest stops there o say nya hwe ofri ha na ukohu there is no rest stop ofri ha ukwaplawo no rest stop ofri Accra uko Cape Coast no rest stop ofri Cape Coast ekota krade no rest stops say I was say individuals here but say road safety edit to ne ho so enya ade a ya chenchenche bia o say omutimi ko plow baby kura omo plow no very big na cars ni duru ho na yenya one police e wo ho no mo yenya one road safety road safety authority personnel e wo ho no mo a e be boa bebere won say ye kan no e ya no fafa keke na omo kan say omoko ha omo ye adwuma no kura ni nyame anim ni road safety this year the whole of this year and the last year ye hu omo ye stations no kura na ye ka kire enura ye share omo kura ye sa ka kire omo National Road Safety Authority wo hu okay me bisa wo mo studio ha SOMPA how many times na road safety authority personnel man ka se omo PRO no nko an personnel abaha abeye road safety
enekra me nti bi da
enti se me catch us say yen hu omo I say ye
but some on more station
stations
I am not doubting that because you are una one station
exactly
and I am not doubting it one say me bisa the question be say and you know wo mo call a year omo campaigns no mo ye na campaigns no mo ye and she tells us that omo ba stations ne mo be kasa
minua for all the various stations me kasa me use one station ayela pass the example
okay
omo amba ho amba ye hwe
the whole of
last year any this year
omo amba ye hwe National Road Safety Authority
ye hu omo e wo ye terminal ho but man you say me ye kasa me ma omo advisor me kire omo say no one 70% of Ghanaians are Christians. Into every Sunday be and cause omo ko asore baako. Eko ye eyi wo ho. Every Friday be omo ko mot. Eko kan eyi. Your friend say omo ko kanda any chief imam ho no mo krampo a. Any your friend say obi tebili ho no mo a. Ebetimi aboa. Na ye esua e wo ho no mo. Because imam ba be bom pae no omo di kan kire kakra efa ekwan so jojo ho a. Ebeboa ama accident ni eyi no
ene ya sofo no
na make am say
sorry
me di kan bo sorry
okay
say 70% of Ghanaians say sorry kofo nti say yetimi use 1 minute mpo sorry e road safety ho because on one kasa ne statement o ye no o say life road e claiming no is more than 2 years of COVID
sure
what you say 1 year timi clear sikadodo a COVID taxes aye de gu niam bebre so aye tu aye na nipa won nkofo omo so no omo so ni breadwinners
and you know you opasa we suggest ma aban say at least there should be some levy for the purposes of National Road Safety Authority for some of the campaigns. Is that what you
are? It's part of the suggestion.
Because she tells us resources and as some idea how.
Because Udim, you say wabum and a wado. Say you the intensive of road safety ejuma Ghana and you be na beka tell say ye we na oma ye me ma typical example won say Ghana ye kan nyina ye yi emra ye friends akun we sorry wo ho no mu a omo to the gate of them and gate here omo bobo din baby Iran for
the Strait of Hormuz omo block you say America na be block first na ye we na block here and what will say young Ghanaians we can also do something and then do it right. American na be block I believe say Iran for NASA take charge na Iraq aye but unim enra ye kodi nkomo bi e wo MPA okay na nokre e wo say de bia yesua de fire sector okay unim say Ghana aban a wotetu yi mituchema no free enra ansema ayete ye every 14 days or 15 days oboka titisika no 50 billion for them for subsidizing fuel no almost subsidizing you know every day every 14 days I buy boka saying 50 billion Ghana cedis to subsidize the fuel for drivers wow. Not for drivers alone but for the citizens for citizenry what you say say wetimia yade we aso anu 2 times now this window fuel abafoma you say President Mahama. John Dramani Mahama yes to chema me that say and MPA boss yeah your friend Eduji Tamaklo ye dana say enchechera ode ma ye nra no e ma yen adrafo ye gitu mu say omo ba be sompa ana omo be som Ghana sompa me that say but ma yen kwa homa no sisi ana me na eti for enhwe bom na me bisa say umpotemu a wotie ekwan a wofa so a wode ekwa adwuma ekwan a wofa so a wode befie ekwan a wofa so a wode ko school ekwan a wofa so a free school a wode befie bebia wutu kwan afa no ekwan no sen ena etie me patcho 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 hello good evening yeah me patcho udini bebia okasa free
Aboki na ya jida
lafia lo baba ya me hu pa
aboki
yes
no compare contractor wo so ye djuma
ukwan me patro ukwan no etesen eye anase enye
na contractor abasu na contractor no djuma ho ye no oye botas no onye wi
oye botas
gramu so de bu kwan na sin na one way what people go ntikaba keba omu kwa baba so bakube mabaku kwan omu fiti ntemu ye ekata kwa second chance kwan so no
oh me bato sesi de bio nyabotre me bato usi every ehin kopem he me bato usi every ehin kopem he
every pokwase ediko shalom for no second chance kata kwan so
okay and you know the contractor no
so ka di efa accident no abochi and now they can drivers are first we won't have our calculator no we keep them out to we were mature then kola kiti o ko oni ba o calculator ke se we am o ba wa ta si o mo de ba no u na se dia enye calculator ko na o ka so
until then na be catch us contractor da o mo kwan no so no
Kwano de mekacha nze wonya ntem na wotumi ejuma no because that all go kesi no unyi won so be pipu grabo star won bi kwan so ankata no e kwan si to kwa sa kuchi
all right mami na
ka ba ku na kwan ba ku kwan
mami na say ma mfa call away hello good evening oh me ba cho bi wa homa no so hello good evening hello okay
hello director
yeah me pa cho odini baby akasa free
me na master baby we can ayibi na ba de twem amamo mesra mo money president in Kasani investors yeah the railway line from Accra to Paga omo be yama na dem about our pressure so beti wo ekwan so okay here vessel yeah e be running from Aflawo to Takrade yeah no so be transport about our pressure so beti awo ekwanso
yo nyame so enka ho me pa cho wo bebia wotie yen efi no wo kwan no sen na etie eye anase enye hello good evening
Good evening.
Yeah, me pacho dini baby okasa free.
The friend Michael, me farmer.
Okay, Michael. Baby I would tie no wo kwan no etesen.
Me the mechanic say if we ability ma farmer branch. Ekim epo ni hu ekoko amode. Ekwani munye kwa.
Ekwani me pacho radio na be on my radio no call for mommy. Mommy feedback wa ha. Na me pacho
we say the free ability farmer branch.
Okay.
Ekim epo the common money, a quaning yet up.
So, okay, sir, quaning ya, it's the same.
A movie and more, and one of the dishes. I'm a swine, if you can't have password. Yes, without him for the gun grow, or there will and son will be awful. Who connect the quaning never baby. You have a 12 day, only the goose. Any so mother, I'll mind your fine. I'm a more like the finest so basta. I'm a quan rough, so heavy. Little bread, bread.
I just said, then I'll catch a bine.
The neck catch a bine say, quine, the bed, your may, never body because the free man's had to edible or mind or my fine. The free bine at a quart of Muduma, you do mine. On my fine. That kept one woman out the bed, a branch up a woman, a quine on my saying cry.
Me that say, pass or by, yeah, with the concern that to you. Hello, good evening.
Hi, Prof. Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Whom am I talking to? Oh, Sumba Mayor, tell my do they do. Put them on a quite saying.
To be honest, all my area here, the roads are okay.
The roads are okay.
When I live surrounding, it's about 95%.
95%. So, then so now Obekafa, I drive for one more. Subaini bino enye papa wa ya kwantimpono so because akwensiano yade kum nipa every day biano per the records no nipa between 6 and 8 ewu ya kwantimpono so then I'll beka
so it say last night when we discuss an issue na ka menya breakra ka mepeske dia patrol but briefly, last Friday you were traveling without any information. You need to be our call.
Oh, Debbie.
Number two. I know the sort of person you are.
Yeah.
Very competent person.
Yeah.
It is open to go. We the listeners, you have to inform us, my brother. I'll put it to you this afternoon.
Thank you.
You do is put it in matter to you.
Medasi. Mumfancheme. Why?
And then we look at Patrick Way.
Oh, Patrick, Otia. Okay, I want Tiana. Do last week Friday, me emergency be, so I had to go. Why? Fetch me. Accidents, crana young way.
Oh, me medical catcher said the drive for so many years.
Yeah.
And over speeding, me drive for 47 years, and I'm still driving.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. It should not be running off. Bodyguard, Tamale, and all the rest of it.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh. We feel asleep. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. Who did it more? When you eat more, you feel weak within the highway sector.
Okay. Who did it more?
Me, I was at a company, every 6 years, I work on professional course.
All right.
So if you are coming to I could give some food now. No. You can't find some meat pie and minerals and
you are gone. But that's it for this information. Yeah, you're driving on a highway. No, thank you so much. Hello, good evening.
Hello, me
pacho be hoye. Na pacho wadaroma wan na
Paul, me kasa St. John's.
Okay, Paul, my yentio.
Ati sakra bi ha me wo. Munwani mu haya. Munwani mu sumpa mu ni mu haya St. John's ba. That one I da when you net and soon yet get papa and Yenibaco on Abu Kojobu.
Yeah.
Yes,
a quina a free market one. Ebe Kokosi Eco Banco.
Yeah, papa and you back. Honorable for you to be one.
Mehu, but say a quaning yan so so that's so cacrada. I'd rather for us so subaya would done what quan so America and in futuro boying.
From Omoya, no more day, that's a Joshua. Almost American. What McKenna Hatchet, the Jones Hatchet. A branding, you know, it's a long point, and I am so. Mr. ABOTCHIE, there we are, and Yai Hobo.
Midase, Yamison Caho. Now, ye be so. I won't put him on. What quine, sing and etie. What quine, sing and etie. Mamini of Freddy Dinko. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Barack.
Yeah, me pato when I'm in the case Wadaroma. Abdella, baby, I want what quino at the saying, so who took quine ko krumo at the saying, a quino sanity.
I say $50.
Abdella, $50, and I can say, okay, that's fine. $50. What I want Patoka say free.
Make a free tema.
Okay, okay, so $50. Put them on a quine to saying.
Yo, Prof. I'm sound my dear way. Prof, our year quite dear. For more than 20 years, if it tema, a cocum to a come to one. Pano almost you, but some done that Tisana can say okay. If people barrier, ever see your run up with far industrial area, cocum to one. Especially don't do so anymore, Prof. Kasi there was a bit of problem person, but I should especially say, I'm person better. Entiaba, to say no music one more year. Now, the economy started for me about 2 years in it. Almost trust Eddie, that's the year to support to say book one to grow. Oh, you can me then. If you could buy a pocket, if you could buy a book, you can make consider the gap of see a movie or 10 minutes. Yeah. One is a movie. Then to say the year,
yes.
And above maybe can get us view. To have boxes are same way. The police reform big man. They were preferred to set the engine for wrong overtaking. Just the UGH 1% year, but that time won't be driving at the same time. Unnecessary or wrong overtaking. Second, the bow, I want to tutu. When you say one was appreciated. If you can even see a table on the aesthetic of Bumukunipa. It didn't drive it good, it didn't see there, and at the association, so cars may be registered this their private number, but under the passenger. The Prof. No one to make a Gofoma, and the Mudium common crime watch at the Fancy Monkey be my Ghana police for more solid.
All right, Mammy Suminas is out by radio, so I think I'll take the last two calls now. Yeah, the offering up by we 0260 196064 0260 196065. So you can call and be a part of the discussion. And then we and then you may SOMPA 106.5 FM. But Urabado, you have a sorry so. What's a mena Obeka ama ya sorry Jumedian so.
Yo ABOTCHIE medase. Enra yene your friends in Road Safety Authority ko share or Voxy issue. Medican asre Voxy drivers no. Nipa mienu ewo sumpankoa so enwumre we a omo se ye America no e do so dodo. Nti nka bibi omo betimi aye bibi afa ho a omo nyen fa ho. Egu apon so se omo pese omo bande Voxy. Nti mesre Voxy drivers for ne se mesre omo. Ye say e komba obi kuruma enya nsam mienu ene yedidi ansa na ya men. Mesre omo. Voxy yo. Mo amoka no na amaka ne ho abeye hu na onam akwantimpon ne ekwan so a fa ekwan so jojo nhihye fa ye adwuma na Voxy no eno ayekohia ye no ni aba mu nyina ne se enya ade a omo bande Voxy yeah,
so that's breaking news.
Enya ade a omo bande Voxy
breaking news
na de ewo mu ni omo kate lifeline no. Lifeline in the one import no omo mane mba biom de wo oman ni mu de
baby edokrade so mo kada sa it is not fair. So Road Safety Authority for kase one more bande a voxia, it will not be fair. Because me and me I'm a private person, I may crave a baby you are denying me that. No, please, that one is not fair. Some of us will speak against it.
And inti we centroni obetimi de aye odada kasa obeka. Because unim voxi no any problem. Yaka time and numbers. Sisi ya omo ka say enye voxi nanga se na etumrika eko. Ana enye voxi nanga se na e overtaking. Enipa. Enra lawyer Maliba ade bi ma me hu dwiri mi.
Then
in one breath obi the suggestion by say ye yisika edit trainee doctors, ye yisika edit trainee nurses, but ye yisika and trainee drivers. You know, oji say yes, and the education there here. In another breath, also koba no, or say education in here because omu vox bia some be hwe ane na yes say abaso.
Kumase no
one nam ne kwan, watwa ne kwan a onam.
But sad the ye no enye vox kwan na ye. Cars bebre yes ade no. But say the vox no hu e bondi no.
But the woman ye, I more can say vox e 1% of the accident, 100% no. Vox e 1%, it will the 1% ever cancel 90% ana.
Vox no akwenhia do a AC no. Just 1%. Oh, then they don't have any basis.
The woman ye, omoka 1% no. Omoko yi oti region.
Yeah.
Say a honomo no 40%. Omo say Voxi no. Ye hu no akra han bebre sa o. Baby a Voxi ewo northern region, the Bono region.
Bono East.
Say
the middle belt.
The middle belt any the northern belt.
Sure.
E hona ewo
Voxi no.
Me call Tamale. That's 2000. Amiko who say Sianta. One say Sianta by answer Voxi ba.
Me ba.
Sianta oko northern part. The whole northern part.
And no one ejuma.
Any ejuma ho. Sprinter. Ovan. Sianta nkwa and enti once omagia to mu say omombande ne de. Yen bi mu ye ni age.
Sure.
But the way forward ni say
adrava for no.
Yeah, adrava for no. E was say ye hwe ye ho so yi. Me fa mu fidie kese so atu menuano mo various unions nyina mu say omo ankasa omo nhyase enye speed guard ewo omo drivers ni speed na say.
All right.
We enkonye national road safety assembly.
Me da say
unions no enfanto ye ho so. Na ye speed guard ewo ye drivers for no eyi ase. Na ye nsan tonkoso ma omo logbook.
Okay.
Say driver need two free stationer. Or say or signing
logbook no or could do also signing
and yet a home poll the suggestion they can driver need two free coins or so signing time or day 2 so we'll do the nearest barrier on farmer police officer or
non sign
time no driver no short time near you or no so signing we could do large destinations one signing accident no yen na yen castle.
I don't know it should go for all drivers. Not all commercial drivers, not Voxi drivers alone.
But say no, Voxi the ene go apaso. Voxi the ene go apaso. If we are we studio here. Among for there are cars talking but Voxi.
Me da say. We have for Hannah Mrema Kwama Edi Jumedi na say Oragbado. You better say second deputy PR person for GPRTU. Patrick, thank you. SARFO can thank you, and then executive producer.